Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make Bhoona Kabootar or wood pigeon cooked in Indian spices. Let's have a quick look at the ingredients for this recipe. We will need 1 medium red onion finely sliced, 2 tablespoons of crushed ginger and garlic, 2 Kashmiri chilies, 1 bay leaf, 2 sticks of cinnamon, 2 black cardamoms and some cloves, 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, cumin and red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of tomato puree, 2 tablespoons of yogurt or dahi. Here I have 2 wood pigeons with their skins on. These are wild pigeons which live in the woods and are not to be confused with ordinary pigeons. As you can see, their meat is very dark and gamey. These pigeons have been locally hunted in the north of England and have been gutted and cleaned. Let's rub the pigeons with a bit of turmeric and salt. Give them a good rub and then set them aside for a few minutes. Pour some oil in a cast iron pot and add the pigeons into the pot. Let the pigeons sizzle and sear them all over. Make sure you keep turning them around as I'm doing here. This will take around 2 to 3 minutes. And then take them out. In the same pot, add the whole spices and stir them for half a minute. Then add the sliced onions. Fry the onions for 2 to 3 minutes till they brown up. Then add the ginger and garlic into the pot and fry them for a minute. Then add the powdered spices into the pot and give it a good stir. Now it's time to add the tomato puree. Blend it in. Add a bit of water to scrape the spices off the bottom of the pot. Now add the wood pigeons or the kabootars into the pot and fry them with the masala for around 5 minutes. Whip the yogurt and then add it slowly into the pot, a spoonful at a time, and mix it in. Make sure that the yogurt is blended in. add a bit more water to deglaze the pot. And give the pot a stir. Now it's time to add enough water to cook the pigeons. Add salt according to your taste. Give the pot a stir. Bring it to a boil. Cover and cook for 40 minutes on medium flame. After 40 minutes, take the lid off and check to see if the pigeons are done. Now you can see there's plenty of gravy in the pot, so we need to dry out the gravy and make it thicker. So jack up the flame to let the water evaporate. As you can see, the water is drying and the gravy is becoming thicker. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter onto the pigeons and give them a stir. And our Bhoona Kabootar is ready. Let's plate up these spicy wood pigeons. Garnish with some freshly chopped coriander. Bhoona Kabootar is best served with tandoori rotis or chapatis. This pigeon game recipe used to be widely eaten in India in the old days and is utterly delicious. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, The Omnivore Indian, for more. Enjoy!